Welcome to the Amazing Secrets of Success. Today's video about Secrets of Success Affiliate Review is by Russell Brunson, the founder of ClickFunnels and the new Secrets of Success. I'll explain how you can become part of this future $100 million business. Plus, how best promote the program and how you can maximize your commissions here, so listen until the very end. It is going to be spectacular. Let's look at overview. The program is a worldwide movement in the area of personal development and centers on the teachings of Napoleon Hill. In addition, other early philosophers. The goal of the program to learn from the most successful people from all time and develop in all important areas of life such as financial strength, relationships, health, and happiness. Furthermore, Russell Brunson has had built a 20,000-foot library to house these rare items. It will be filled with numerous courses and audiobooks written by influential figures like Napoleon Hill, Lincoln Benedict, Earl Nightingale, Orison, Swat, Martin Ricklier, Elbert Hubbard, and other well-known authors. The highlight of the unpublished first edition of the book, The Law of Success from Napoleon Hill. Russell paid $1.5 million for that book. Russell was the founder of ClickFunnels and has already paid out almost $100 million in commissions its first 10 years. This is amazing with Secrets of Success. Russell and his team are paying 40% lifetime recurring commissions. The monthly fee is $97. From this, you get your 40%, so about $40. That means if you refer who sign up 250 membership people, you will get $10,000 every month. Now, one thing is certain, everything Russell does with full commitment, with full passion, with conviction, and he will succeed. Over time, it is very likely that a large movement with many members will emerge here. Don't miss this unique opportunity, so click the link in the first comment. Check out in description for 1K bonus, plus sign up for the affiliate program, it's free. So to market Secrets of Success, thanks to Russell, it's extremely easy. You don't have to get anyone to sign up for a $97 per member every month. At first, all you have to do is promote the most incredible free gift ever. This is a free gift, consists of 3 books worth more than $1,000. If you want more details, just click on the link below in the description. You already get the gift when you complete the 30-day membership. So all you have to do is recommend a free gift to people on social platforms. It almost doesn't get any better than this. If you want to take advantage of this incredible free gift for yourself, all you do is just check out Secrets of Success Napoleon Hill. Go to www.secretsofsuccesses.com.